Good morning, students. Today we are going to learn Standard 6, Subject Science, Chapter number 5, Substances in the Surroundings, Their States and Properties. I have divided the lesson into three parts. Today we will see part 1. In first part, we will see change of state of substances, heat and change of physical state, and the temperature and a thermometer. Students, in our day to day life, we see so many substances in our surrounding. In these states, do they are occur in nature? Every substances occurs in the specific states. Accordingly, that substances called a solid, liquid, or gas. So the substances that we see in our surrounding will be of these three states following. For example, table, chair, water, petrol, kerosene, oxygen, etc. We have to categorize these things whether it is in a solid state, liquid state, or in a gaseous state. So in this lesson, we are going to study about the substances that we see in our surrounding and their states and the properties. So before we proceed further this lesson, let us study the state of the matter. Matter means all the physical objects are composed matter as distinct from mind and spirit is a broad word that applies to anything perceived or known to be occupying space and have mass. There are three states of the matter: solid, liquid, and gas. Water is found in a nature three states: solid, liquid, and gaseous. When water is in ice form, it is in solid state. Water available ordinary state, that is its liquid state. When we are heating this water, it forms water vapor, which is in gaseous state. Solid ice after melting convert it is water, and liquid water after heating convert it is gaseous state. So solid, liquid and gaseous states, these are the three states of water. Now change of state of substances. Let us see example of burning candle. Candle is its solid state. After the burning it forms molten wax, and after heating of this liquid wax it forms wax vapor, which is gaseous state. Now let us see the activity. For this activity we need pieces of wax, a bowl and a candle or a spirit lamp. Take pieces of wax in a bowl and heat them on a candle or spirit lamp. Initially, these pieces of wax are in the solid state. After heating a wax, these are converted to liquid state. So when the liquid wax keep in again, here it is a change of state of wax. When a substance changes from one state to another, the process is called change of state of the substance. Now can you tell? Consider the following substances: spirit, camphor, petrol, ghee, coconut oil, naphthalene balls, ammonium chloride. Ammonium chloride we are telling as Navsagar also. Now out of these examples, ghee and coconut oil freezes in winter. Spirit and petrol, these substances changes into vapor. Camphor, naphthalene balls and ammonium chloride, this solid directly changes into gaseous states. From this we understood that the state of the substance changes if it is heated or cooled. Every substance in our surroundings is found in either the solid, liquid, or gaseous state. In the 19th century, the scientist J. Willard Gibbs showed that the characteristics of a substance depend on its physical state and the arrangement of particles on it. Now, the differences between the states of substances, we know, students, there are three states of substances: solid, liquid, and gaseous. So, on the basis of this, there are some characteristics in their examples. First is solid. Example of solid is a piece of iron. Solid has a shape of its own. It retains shape no matter how it is kept. Volume of solid. Solid has a definite volume. Solid like sugar, sand, when poured on a flat surface, they form a heap. Next is liquids. For example, water, spirit, and oil. Liquid does not have a shape of its own. It takes the shape of the container. Volume of the liquid. It has a specific volume, occupies definite portion of a container. Liquid spreads on a flat surface on pouring. Liquid flows downwards along a slope. Now gases, example, air. Gas does not have a shape of its own. Gases occupies all the available space. Gases does not have a definite volume. On changing the pressure on a gas in a closed container, its volume also changes. So these are the different examples of state of substances. Changes of state. Change in the physical state of a substance is an effect of the amount of heat in it. Solid on heating changes their state into liquid. Liquids on heating change into gas. Similarly, the gases when cool convert into liquid, and liquid when cool further can changes into solid. Heating means gaining heat, by cooling means losing heat. When we are heating liquid water, it takes some time from into vapor, that is gas. The temperature and a thermometer. When a substance gets heat, it becomes warm and then hot. We pour our hand on finger in the water to judge how hot it is. But that is not an accurate measure. Besides, if the substance is very hot, we could get scalded. There are different types of thermometer available in the market. A thermometer is used to measure temperature. Degrees Celsius is the unit of measuring temperature. There are several types of thermometer available. Nowadays, digital thermometers are frequently used. Now let us try this. Here we are going to see one more activity. Take a thermometer from the laboratory. The bulb at its lower end is filled with mercury. The mercury rises to a certain level in the capillary tube. Above the bulb, you will see a scale next to the mercury column. Reading the figure near the level of the mercury tells us the temperature of air around the bulb of the thermometer. Hold the thermometer in water so that the bulb is completely immersed in the water and read the temperature of the water. Repeat the activity taking some hot water in one vessel and cold water or ice in another vessel. and note the temperatures. Now let us see some examples and their respective temperature. Boiling water temperature is 100 degrees Celsius. Freezing water temperature is 0 degrees Celsius. Air is winter night temperature is less than 15 degrees Celsius. Air is summer afternoon greater than 35 degrees Celsius. Inside a fridge temperature is greater than 5 degrees Celsius. Inside the freezer temperature is less than minus 18 degrees Celsius. And our body temperature is approximately 37 degrees Celsius. So students, next part of the lesson we will see next period. Now you read the lesson and answer the question that I gave you. Thank you.